Well, I figured one more thing before I call it a day. I removed all that mud and stuff because I wanted to show you the sprinkler. Remember, this is where it was initially before I took the grass out. And because this is so long, the body's so long, this pops way up high. So it would pop up through the grass, making a little hole there. And remember before, I only had it dug out to about there. And I was like saying, I'm only going to be able to move it a little bit like that. But see, now that I've got this out, before I backfill this, after I test the sprinklers out and stuff, you see, I can raise this whole pipe, see? I can raise it up. See how these swivel? That swivels, and then this one up here swivels, see? So before I was thinking I could lift it up, but it was going to be way away from the concrete mowing strip. But now, because I've dug all that up, I can raise the whole pipe up. I can swivel this back down and raise it up, and see, I can get it as close as I want. I'm probably going to make it about a ½ inch or so below the bottom edge, the top edge of the concrete curb, because the grass, see, the grass is maybe a ½ inch above that. I could almost make it flush if I wanted to. Okay, and so I'll do a happy medium on what I need to do. Raise that up, put a little bit of dirt underneath there, and swivel that back and call that good. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos. And I just tell you, the more you watch, the more you learn. And did I know all this stuff was going to happen? No, I didn't, but I was bound and determined to fix it, and I did.